Good morning, class. How was your night? We are starting our lesson on basic science. Our topic is differences between heat and temperature / unit symbols of temperature. But before we start, I want someone to remind me the one we did last week. Our topic on basic science last week. Yeah. Yes, heat and temperature. What is heat? Good, heat is a form of energy. Then what about temperature? Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of the weather. That's fine. So we are now going to compare the differences between two of them. There are some differences between heat and temperature. There are 1. Heat is a form of energy, while temperature is a quantity or property of an object. 2. Heat causes change in the degree of temperature, but temperature is the heat generated. That is to say that temperature sometimes, due to the weather condition, it might be cool or hot. 3. Temperature is heat generated. Temperature is measured in degrees Celsius or Kelvin. While in the heat, the unit measurement of heat is Kelvin in centigrades. Then the 4th one is heat obtained in solar energy, chemical energy, and the mechanical energy. But temperature is obtained when substances are heated or cooled. The 5th one, heat is change that flows, but in temperature determines the direction of the heat flow. Then the unit and the symbols of temperature. The unit measuring temperature on the Celsius scale is degree centigrade. It is pronounced as what? Degree centigrade or degree Celsius. 2. The unit measuring temperature on Fahrenheit is degree Fahrenheit. The symbol is OF. While that of Celsius is degree C. The unit measuring temperature in Kelvin is simple written as K, that is K, not degree K. There are many temperatures on the scales, but the commonly used ones are 1. Celsius scale, 2. Fahrenheit scale, 3. Kelvin scale. But out of the 3, the mostly used one is Celsius scale. A Celsius scale is formed 0 degrees centigrade or 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. That is the cooling point. The lowest point of it is 0 degrees Celsius. That is the cooling point. The ice. While the boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. B. Fahrenheit. The Fahrenheit scale, the temperature of pure ice on the scale is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, while the highest point is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. The symbol OF. Then in Kelvin, the Kelvin scale, the lowest, that is the pure ice, is 273 K, that is Kelvin, and the 373 as the highest point. Do you understand our topic? We compare the differences between heat and the energy. We said that heat is a form of energy, while temperature is the quantity or the property of an object. Heat causes change in the degree of temperature. When there is heat, the temperature will be high. Then when the weather is cool, the temperature will be low. Temperature is generated heat. Then the unit measurement is Kelvin centigrades. Then the temperature is measured in degrees Celsius, Kelvin, or Fahrenheit. Then we say that the temperature is obtained when substances are heated or cooled. So it determines the weather, when the weather should be cooled or hot. Then remember we said that the boiling point in degrees Celsius is 100 degrees Celsius, while the cooling point is 0 degrees centigrade. Then in Fahrenheit, the cooling point is what? Okay, the cooling point is 32, while that of the highest point is 212. Then we come to Kelvin. We said that in the Kelvin, the cooling point is 200 and what? Yes, 273. While the highest point is 373. So that is the end of our lesson for basic science. Hope you understood our lesson. Do you have any question? Okay, my own. What is heat? Give me one example of difference between heat and the temperature. Okay, heat is a form of energy. Good. While temperature is what? The quantity or property of an object. Okay. Then the unit measurement of temperature is what? 0 degrees centigrade as the lowest, the icing point, and 100 degrees centigrade as the boiling point. That's very fine. Have a nice day. Bye.